Ready. He's a pretty birdie. No, birdie. Don't bite me. Birdie.
What is that? That's the shit.
It's got coleslaw on it.
That's the shit. It's got onions too. Shit. Shit. I'm gonna eat it.
It's birdie.
Which one should I eat first? The one with onions or the one with the one with sauerkraut? Where's my sauerkraut? Oh, it would even be good if it was sauerkraut, wouldn't it? You know it would. You know that looks good. Yeah? I bet you put that online, you'll get thousands of hits. Oh, I love that type of hot dog or whatever, yeah. It is good. You wouldn't eat it, huh?
No.
I even got hot sauce on there. See that hot sauce? Ouch. Because it was your finger.
Okay.
Okay. Those flowers are pretty, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
Oh, they're real pretty.
Why does the color look so
I
weird?
chose them because they're weird. And they're colorful. We don't normally have yellow flowers in here, right?
No.
So now you got some yellow flowers.
They're pretty too.
Cactus. Can you say hi? No. She wants my string, don't you? She's in a playful mood. Watch me meet this hot dog.
Oh, good.
Did you ever wash your hands?
Yeah, good. I
Did you,
touched
Amanda?
something. I touched something.
No.
What was it?
The bird?
Oh, the bird. Yeah. I touched Buddha because he's like the virus bird. No, I wasn't trying to go for the comfortable. Well, look, pal.